Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, it is AV back again with another video. I'm super tired right now. You guys can't. Right now, I want us to talk about something a little bit more, artistic, a little bit more exciting, a little bit more. Maybe you might be into these. They're called drones, technically known as UAVs for unmanned aerial vehicle or unmanned aircraft, right? Actually, drones are aircraft, but without persons, on board. First of all, thank you for clicking on the video. Second of all, like, comment. Please do comment. All right. Look, tell me about your favorite drone. All right, on the comment section down below, and maybe I'll look it up. But let me know about your favorite video out there. A favorite drone out there. Since this is a drone video, we're looking at the future of drones over here. And now you all know, I've defined what they are. They're unmanned aerial vehicles. It's just that drones is a well-known term, rather than using UAV. So there are two types, or rather three types. You have fixed drones, fixed wing drones. You have rotary drones, you have rotary wing drones, and you have hybrid drones. So hybrid drones have both traits or characteristics from fixed wing to rotary wing combined into one. Now you might think that's a great idea. Usually isn't. No, for multifunctional purposes, you really want to go down the hybrid drone kind of route. This would be for future transportation kind of missions. You definitely want some tilt wing drones, rotary wing drones, fixed wing drones on the same aircraft packed into one compact thing. And maybe you might use those to either, transport some pretty sensitive goods around the world. You never know. I'm not sure if we have supersonic drones at the moment. Under rotary wing drones, you also have what's known as FPV drones, which are different from your standard drones. FPV standing for first person view kind of drones. Now these allow you to actually get a feel of what the drone is, and obviously they're not built for great camera quality. You go down the standard route for better image quality. But if you want something fun, something you can interact with, engage with, first person view. First person view drones are also very you also get to build these yourselves. Now I'm talking like the circuit boards, you solder everything yourself, go get some soldering wires, you get going. They're building kits for these things, so it's pretty fun for for enthusiasts and stuff like that. But let's talk quickly about the future of FPV. I think that these are going to be super popular in the future, maybe combined with a little bit of virtual reality. Not sure, we'll see how things work out. But now regarding fixed wing drones, you might have seen this scene from the movie called Interstellar. If you haven't watched the movie Interstellar, please go check out that movie. That is probably the only movie I would probably recommend for people who want to learn a whole lot more about aerospace and just get inspired about what our future might possibly look like. Now on this particular scene right here, we see Cooper chasing down an Indian Force drone, which is powered by very advanced solar cells, that are powerful enough to power an entire farm. So that's something that's something that we're going to see in the future a little bit more. I think solar energy is really going to be big on drones, big on aircraft in general, but they're mostly going to be used by drones. Now I think that military segments from different parts of the world will be using these kind of drones, and I think that they'll be benefiting them for surveillance kind of things and surveillance monitoring, agricultural uses. In fact, for my honors project, I worked on a crop and soil monitoring kind of drone, but it had to be a fixed wing. Now there are advantages, disadvantages that come with that, and some of the disadvantages of the fixed wing is that you can't really quite get the perfect aerial images that you're looking for. Even if you're in a farm, right, you're sort of gonna get high quality resolution images, but you're gonna need a very fast sensor, very fast sensor, fast camera, that's gonna keep up with the drone speed, because it's fixed wing, right? You can't just it has to fly. There's a certain airspeed that you need to keep the drone afloat or keep the drone airborne. That's the technical term. So these are just some of the things that you got to consider when either purchasing a drone or thinking along the lines of drones and what you need to use them for. Rotary drones, yeah, they're very expensive to maintain, in my opinion. You also have to look at the maintenance part of these things. And really, when we're talking about the future of drones, when we say future of drones, what comes into my head instantly is deep learning neural networks. Literally, that's it. I think that we already see these things applied in fact, there's a movie called Upgrade. I watched it back in 2018. They released the movie back in 2018, and in the movie, they use sort of drones to track down faces and criminals within the city. And I think that's going to be less of a science fiction thing and more of a, it's going to become a reality in the next coming years. And so if it's not already a reality at the moment. So I think really, we're really going to see quite a whole lot more exciting projects. We're going to be using these deep neural networks for facial recognition, pattern recognition, medical conditions for emergency purposes or emergency sites where you have car crashes, or and things like that. But I think with cars right now advancing as well, we're going to be there are neural networks right now that are embedded within cars, especially EVs. So it's going to be much harder for, I guess, people to. I think there's going to be less accidents in the future due to that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this actually in the comment section below, because I'm really interested to see what you guys think about deep neural networks incorporated into the transport industry. Okay, so regarding the future propulsion of drones, I really doubt that we might have plutonium-238 kind of drones in the future. Maybe that's just left out for space missions and satellites, but yeah, we're probably not going to see that kind of energy on drones yet. Maybe solar cells. Essentially, I think for me it's solar cells, solar power, wind power. I don't know how that's going to work for drones though, but yeah, drones could be powered by wind. Yeah, we have a very interesting future ahead of us. Also, maybe they might be even using some fusion energy in the future. You never know. Look, we're making leaps in quantum computing as well, so we might be seeing a whole lot more of that going on with drones as well. Maybe they might have to perform some of the tasks that satellites can do with just a drone, but I think it's gonna take a while for us to replace satellites with drones. Yeah, essentially the future looks pretty promising for drones at the moment, and I might get into building myself. I might get into buying a drone myself. I've never really bought a drone, but maybe it's time. Maybe it's time I've done that now. Go out, buy a drone. All right, give me suggestions on what to buy on the comment section down below. And yeah, if you can, please provide me with links, to some of these stores. But yeah, for now, that's just about it, folks. For me, there's a whole lot more. There's another video coming up after this, so this should be a very short video, all things considered. Hopefully it will be a short video. Oh yeah, by the way, in case you guys want to know or get to know me a little bit, or you got questions for me directly, and please hit me up with some questions on either Twitter or Twitter. So it's AVP at AVP. You will find my socials down in the description below. All right, yeah, that's me from my side. Looking to see what you guys come up with those questions. Yeah, look, I've been getting DM'd. I have been getting some DMs from you guys on, you want to get to know me or something like that. Like those get to know me tag kind of videos, or questionnaire answering your questions, or all that lovey-dovey stuff, basically, where the YouTuber gets to know his audience and vice versa, right? So yeah, hit me up on Twitter, DM me, do whatever you want, but submit those questions and I'll get to you guys. All right, thank you for watching. That's been it from me. I'll see you guys when I see you.